Hello, everyone. Do you have tooth problems, swollen gums, bleeding gums, or bad breath? I have a solution for you. It's an ancient Ayurvedic morning ritual. It is oil pulling.
Start your day by doing this before you brush your teeth or drink anything. Put a single tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and start to swish it back and forth in between your teeth for 10 to 15 minutes. Try not to swallow any of the oil. After that, immediately rinse your mouth with warm salt water to remove the toxic debris.
Basically, oil pulling involves putting a teaspoonful of oil, preferably coconut oil or sesame seed oil, into your mouth, swishing it back and forth, and then spitting it out. After spitting the oil, you need to rinse your mouth with lukewarm water. And remember not to swallow the oil because it will be containing all the harmful toxins from your mouth, and followed by regular flossing and brushing. Again, reminder, oil pulling is a preventive and hygienic method, not a substitute for regular brushing or flossing. This oil pulling has many benefits. It reduces harmful bacteria from your mouth, Streptococcus species mainly, which is responsible for creating cavities and plaque. Secondly, it maintains oral hygiene, reduces bad breath, soothes irritated gums, and helpful for people who are having dry mouth. It also hydrates mouth and lip. Over a period of time, it also whitens your teeth. Now, are you interested to know which oil I use for oil pulling? Let me show you. This is the oil I use for oil pulling. This oil is from a company called Birdsong. It is a blend of coconut oil, clove oil, and peppermint oil. It's a very good product. I can vouch for this product. It's been a savior for my teeth and gum problems. And I am using this oil consistently for 2 years now. Indeed, a very, very good product. Again, it's a very holistic approach. If you do it religiously and consistently, you can keep your teeth and gums problem 90% at bay. Your teeth and gums problem will be resolved. I have purchased it from Amazon. So I will be sharing that link at my description. You can purchase from there. It's a very good practice. It's a very good holistic ancient approach. Try it out. You can see the difference. You can feel the difference. So happy oil pulling, happy healing, happy teeth and gums. And yes, stay tuned for more such informational videos.